Hi, my name is Ann Taylor Lusk and I'm with Coldwell Banker Seaside Realty here on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Today, I'm going to take you on an exclusive tour at my listing at 766 Ridgepoint Drive in Corolla. Let's take a look. Ace by the Beach is a charming cottage nestled on the 4th fairway of the prestigious Reese Jones designed Currituck Club golf course. This inviting home offers panoramic views of the course, creating the perfect backdrop for Currituck Club living and vacationing. Located within the coveted hammocks community, residents and guests can enjoy an outdoor pool reserved only for the hammocks. The Currituck Club is known for its resort-style living and a plethora of amenities, from sound and beach access to outdoor pools, tennis, pickleball courts, and a fitness center, to name a few. Owners and guests benefit from a convenient trolley system to and from the beach and hassle-free living, thanks to the Hammocks Association handling lawn maintenance, allowing you to fully embrace the resort lifestyle. The top level boasts a spacious den and kitchen with cathedral ceilings, a gas fireplace, and expansive windows flooding the space with natural light. The top level also features multiple sun decks with gorgeous views and a generously sized primary bedroom, featuring a walk-in closet and an inviting bathroom. The lower level is thoughtfully designed with 3 additional bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry room, and a 1-car garage. Step outside to a screened-in porch, an ideal spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of the Currituck Club. Whether it's your primary residence, second home, or investment property, Ace by the Beach offers the perfect blend of luxury and coastal living. For more information, you can contact Ann Taylor at 252-489-9267 or visit my website at anntaylorlusk.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive Outer Banks property tours.